Health hazard. The various WHMIS health hazard classes are designated based on their ability to cause health effects such as eye irritation, skin sensitization, or a likelihood of causing cancer, carcinogenicity, corrosion, corrosive damage to skin and eyes. Hazard classes: skin corrosion or irritation, Category 1. Serious eye damage or irritation, Category 1. Example hazard statements: causes serious eye damage, and causes severe skin burns and eye damage. Example precautionary statements: wash hands and skin thoroughly after handling, and wear protective gloves, protective clothing, eye and face protection. Example products: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sodium hydroxide solutions. Skull and crossbones. Can cause death or toxicity after short exposure to small amounts. Hazard classes: acute toxicity, severe, Categories 1, 2, and 3. Example hazard statements: fatal if inhaled, fatal if swallowed, and fatal in contact with skin. Example precautionary statements: do not eat, drink, or smoke when using this product. Wear protective gloves, protective clothing, eye and face protection. And, if on skin, wash with plenty of water. Example products: antifreeze and bleach. Health hazard. May cause or be suspected causing serious health effects. Hazard classes: carcinogenicity, Categories 1 and 2. Respiratory sensitization, Category 1. Reproductive toxicity, Categories 1 and 2. Germ cell mutagenicity, Categories 1 and 2. Specific target organ toxicity, single exposure, Categories 1 and 2. Specific target organ toxicity, repeated exposure, Categories 1 and 2. And aspiration hazard, Categories 1 and 2. Example hazard statements: do not eat, drink, or smoke when using this product. Wear protective gloves, protective clothing, eye and face protection. And, if on skin, wash with plenty of water. Health hazard. May cause or be suspected causing serious health effects. Example precautionary statements: do not induce vomiting. Wear protective gloves, protective clothing, eye and face protection. Do not breathe dust or vapors. And avoid repeated or long-term skin contact. Example products: cleaning products and paint. Exclamation mark. May cause less serious health effects. Hazard classes: acute toxicity, harmful, Category 4. Skin corrosion or irritation, Category 2. Serious eye damage or eye irritation, Category 2 and 2A. Skin sensitization, Category 1, 1A, and 1B. And specific target organ toxicity, single exposure, Category 3. Example hazard statements: causes serious eye irritation, may cause drowsiness or dizziness, and causes skin irritation. Exclamation mark. May cause less serious health effects. Example precautionary statements: wash hands and skin thoroughly after handling. Wear protective gloves, protective clothing, eye and face protection. Use only outdoors or in well-ventilated areas. And avoid breathing dust, mist, fumes, or vapors. Example products: toluene, methyl methacrylate, used in the process of making plastics and a wide variety of medical and dental applications. Biohazardous infectious materials, for organisms, nucleic acids, or proteins that can cause diseases in people or animals. Hazard classes: biohazardous infectious materials. Example hazard statements: there are a wide variety of risks associated with biohazardous infectious materials. Example precautionary statements: special training is required to work with biohazardous infectious materials. Examples: HIV, SARS, COVID, and the Ebola virus. No symbol, any symbol. No symbol. Some of the less hazardous categories do not have an assigned symbol. For example, serious eye damage, eye irritation, Category 2B, and reproductive toxicity, effects on or via lactation. Any symbol. Products that present hazards that are not covered by the current health hazard classes can be classified in the health hazards not otherwise classified. This class can be represented by any of the health hazard symbols that would be appropriate for the hazard. The following slides will take a more in-depth look at the descriptions of the health hazard classes.